Well, shooters and reloaders out there, Fortune Cookie 45 LC coming to you from the hot lead zone. And whether you like Dick's Sporting Goods or not, they got a nice system where when you buy stuff there, they give you these little discounts, like $20 off a purchase of $100. That's 20% off. It's worthwhile. Let's see what we can do with this. So here we are at Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's check out this one. Comfortable store. Nice surroundings. Lots of parking. So here at Dick's I was able to locate a Marlin Model 60.
Marlin 22,
and so I'm going ahead and buying this thing. Marlin Model 60. Nice laminated stock. Pretty heavy barrel. Tubular magazine. I believe it holds 14 rounds.
Yes, 14.
It is 14 rounds.
Yep. Hi.
Crossbolt safety, and it's got a little end cap on there that says Marlin. It's got the rudimentary ladder sights.
Yeah, actually I can't really run away, but is there anyone
And a post front.
backstop?
Dick's is a pretty friendly place. Clerk was very helpful. Typical Dick's Sporting Goods, a lot of long guns and rifles and shotguns. All those are 22s on top, center fires on the bottom. Here's a notice on non-lead ammo needed to be used for hunters. So any California Department of Fish and Wildlife properties has to have non-lead ammo. Well, this won't pass the lead prohibition on California state lands, and this is Remington 22 Golden Bullet 22 long rifle ammo. They had some of that at Dick's. In fact, they've got quite a bit of it, so I went ahead and bought 3, and the price was $7.98 a box of 100, or 8 cents a shot. Well, it came to $26 including tax, so raised the price a little bit more, but still less than 9 cents a shot. So there's 22 long rifle out there at Dick's, and if you need some, you might want to go out and get some. Bye for now.